Hello student. Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Yashika Guleria, Assistant Professor Commerce, Government College Arki, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Today we are going to talk on module Relevance of Human Values in Modern Organization from the paper Human Values and Indian Ethos. After studying this module, you will be able to understand first, relevance of human values in management of modern organization. Second, value-based approach to modern organization and management. Third, value-based management. Fourth, relevance of values for managers. Let's begin with the introduction. Human values carry an important role in the efficient management and administration of any business enterprise. Any organization avoiding ethical values cannot exist in the business for a very long time. Thus, imparting a valid and a strong value system in the administration of any business enterprise is must in the present time. Human values form an important aspect in all human conduct and behavior. As far as the behavior of managers is concerned, it makes a lot of difference how the representative of the business deals with its stakeholders. Hence, human values can be considered as the guidelines or code of conduct for the managers that they must respect and adhere to in the business organization. In fact, human values are the soul of management. Now, coming on to discuss the relevance of human values in management of the modern organization in the present era. A holistic approach of Indian ethics and ethos are needed in the modern organization so as to integrate skill, knowledge, spirit and values in the workforce in a more healthy way. Modern organization must integrate Indian value system to create a perfect model for complete human resource within an organization so as to ensure wholesome human progress. Thus, human value based holistic approach in the management of any modern organization will ensure all round wholesome human growth as well as development. As per the Indian culture and ethics, Indian follow the satisfaction of inner mind of man is given first and foremost priority. All the focus is given to enhance and develop inner mind. Correlating this with the present work culture, faith and sincerity are the two needs of management philosophy. Work must be done in right spirit and in right attitude with pure perfection. An administration or management structure together with a combination of these values will ensure harmony and progress in the organization and on the other hand will be successful in bringing prosperity for the society. Therefore, values in management are very essential for modern organization to survive and sustain for a longer period of time. In modern management, business morals and ethics is a new buzzword that incorporate in itself all forms of values and ethical issues that helps to ensure well-being of any firm in the long run. Business ethics is an extended version for the concept of human value system that goes far beyond the economic profit and includes concepts like employee value, customer value, supplier value, channel partner value, managerial value, and society value as well. Many of these values are not identifiable in monetary terms. Balanced scorecard methodology is one of the most popular method for measuring and managing business values. A demanding concern of today's economy is that human resources make a lot of difference in business organization. Nowadays, organizations try to employ and develop only those people who possess specified progressive competencies like creativity, innovativeness, integrity, adaptability, etc. These competencies ensure that business strategies and relevant goals will be fulfilled while combining it with corporate culture and values. Major relevance point of human values for modern organization is as follows. It creates a strong foundation for the management to follow a relevant business decision making process. Further, it helps in enhancing communication and efficiency of teamwork. It also helps to seek loyalty from partners, customers, as well as other stakeholders. It also facilitates to develop good knowledge of business elements. It promotes innovation to enhance business competitiveness. It improves the service delivery model, which is the most important model for the business customers. It creates a strong awareness for the value culture within the organization with a complete integration of all the business objectives. Value-based approach to modern organization and management. In the present era, modern organization and management system demands more value-based approach so that the customer base feel more reliable towards the organization. While some human values are universal, that is fairness, honesty, integrity, transparency, etc., there are values within individual which can be combined with the pre-existing system so as to make the current system more effective. However, for many organizations, CSR, that is the corporate social responsibility, today have become a lip service or something to show off. This demands a change. If the organization remains successful in getting in touch with each and every section of the society, they will be able to attend their stakeholders in a better way and will be able to create a contributory culture. And when this kind of culture blossoms, employees can work even more ethically towards their goal. Most of the decisions taken in the organization are somehow based on values. Every organization is involved in making decisions on regular basis. The first stage in creating value system is to find out what are the values of employees. The second stage is to find out how employees perceive the value of their organization. When the values of an individual are same as that of their organization, then there is a value alignment and vice versa. Values are the ideals of an individual personal importance. Let us come to the another aspect, that is value-based management. Value-based management is the linchpin of a sustainable business development model. And it is a customer-focused system which is built upon shared principle and core values, which is designed to implant an ownership culture within an organization. Value-based management follows the market-oriented theory of economic justice, which was first developed by the Employee Stock Ownership Plan, that is ESOP, inventor Louis Kelso and the philosopher Mortimer Adler. Many practical experiences and studies shows that where value-based management culture have been implanted in any sort of organization, the human resource present there have become more empowered to make decisions there, maintain a proper disciplined behavior and work together as a team more effectively. It is the value-based management which offers the working class an opportunity to participate as an important stakeholders in the company's growth as well as in the profits of the organization. Value-based management allows the company to unite each and every party in trust around the company's goals and corporate values. Value-based management approaches a new philosophy of leading the followers. It holds a theory that an effective leadership searches for ways and means to empower others and making them realize their hidden potential and is not induced by power. A well-defined and designed value-based management system sharpens and crystallizes the leader's philosophy around a set of universal moral principles. With this participatory kind of culture implanted in any organization, the foundation is itself laid for the working effectiveness of the organization. Such kind of culture typically involves employee stock option plan, formula-based cash profit sharing, ownership education regarding sharing of financial information, participatory management and governance, etc. Now, taking a look at the relevance of values for managers. First, values help manager to realize their social responsibility. Many organizations find it wise to go beyond their primary mission and take into consideration the needs of the community. Knowledge of values and business ethics will help manager in resolving ethical issues or dilemmas when they arise. Young managers must understand and get them aware with moral principles. These are helpful in following a rational ability while taking decisions. The study of human value and related business ethics generate a high level of integrity in managers. The ultimate objective of ethical knowledge is to share knowledge, build skill and develop mind. It helps to gain clarity and insight into business ethics and to avoid business misconduct in organization. The study of human values and related business ethics facilitate managers to arrive at a decision that they feel right and just. It facilitates individuals to understand their moral standard, ethical norms, beliefs and values so that they can decide when faced with business dilemma. Next, the study of business ethics provides conscientious managers with a morally responsible approach to business and forms value for the Indian managers. Respect for individual, corporation and trust, non-jealousy, purification of mind, top quality product and service. The idea or the moral of work is worship, non-covetousness, ethical and moral soundness, self-discipline and self-restraint, customer satisfaction, creativity, giving inspiration to others, and last or the most important, detachment from selfish demands. Coming on to discuss the implementation process of value-based management. Value-based management is a customer-focused system built upon shared principle and core values, which is designed to implant an ownership culture within an organization. Through a culture of workforce participation, the basis for sharing culture within an organization is developed. Such kind of culture typically involves employee stock option plan, formula based cash profit sharing, ownership education regarding sharing of financial information, participatory management and governance, etc. Value based management acts as an interdisciplinary between universal moral values and material values. It offers for maintain a system of values and principle prompting economic justice in a globally competitive market. It facilitates the managers to recognize the value of each stakeholder like customers, suppliers, dealers, workers and society. The main economic purpose of value-based management is to help empower people and raise their dignity and quality of life. After the complete discussion, we can summarize the session that human value carry an important role in the efficient management and administration of any business enterprise. Any organization avoiding ethical values cannot exist in the business for a very long time. Thus, implanting a valid and a strong value system in the administration of any business enterprise is must in the present time. Human values form an important aspect in all human conduct and behavior. As far as the behavior of managers is concerned, it makes a lot of difference how the representative of the business deal with its stakeholders. In the present era, modern organization and management system demands more value-based approach so that the customer base feel more reliable towards the organization. While some human values are universal in nature, that is fairness, honesty, integrity, transparency, etc., there are values within individuals also which can be combined with the pre-existing system so as to make the current system more effective and efficient. Value-based management approaches a new philosophy of leading the followers. It holds a theory that an effective leadership searches for ways and means to empower others and making them realize their hidden potential and is not induced by power. A well-defined and designed VBM system, that is the value-based management system, sharpens and crystallizes the leader's philosophy around a set of universal moral principles. Management system which apply values in its operational activities always achieve greater output. Modern era is an era of complete knowledge and information. Every section of our society is becoming more and more aware of their rights as well as responsibilities. Thank you.